all of us have different ideas all the time, and we are always thinking about starting something new. And in that moment, it generally feels good. It feels like you're being productive, you're actually working on something that is more valuable, like you are figuring out life and you're on the right track. I have been in that place where I generally think that, okay, I should be working on this, or this thing really has some potential. I should be doing more, I shouldn't just let it slide. Naturally end up exploring things, knowing more about what my idea was and if it's worth giving a shot. Trying different things here and there, but not just with full clarity, but just because I don't want to feel stuck. I feel the real problem has always been idea versus execution. Over time, I started noticing that everyone has ideas. They have great ideas. Maybe they want to start something new for themselves, or maybe that idea really has some potential to maybe make them millions of dollars. Most people already have ideas. So if you sit with someone or someone professional, I would say for 10 minutes, you would see how many ideas or how much potential that single person has. And by that only, you can see that that person just didn't execute his ideas, but he has such potential that he can make millions of dollars, or maybe he can at least be famous through those ideas. So I end up thinking that the real problem is execution, because things feel like progress, planning feels like progress, but if you're not executing what you're planning at the right time, I think that changes everything. You can be planning, organizing, controlling everything, and like planning everything that when you want to launch something or when you want to start doing something, but if you don't just start doing it actually in the market, it does not really make sense. I think that has always been my drawback, because I have always thought, okay, let me plan it well, let me organize it well, rather than just executing it with what information I have. We stay in the planning phase because it feels more comfortable to us, it's more safer for us, rather than executing and investing in ourselves. Because there is no risk, there's no judgment, there's no failure, but there's also no growth. Now we have talked about idea versus execution, but I also think not every idea is worth executing. Another thing I have been understanding is that not all ideas deserve your time and energy, because just because something feels or sounds good doesn't mean they will be profitable or will be a good in business if you start executing that thing. If you are normally starting or pursuing something, you need to do research regarding it. You need to maybe consult someone, maybe talk with someone, and even if you don't have someone to talk to, you should even research, at least research about it. Like you can maybe have a great idea, but maybe you don't have enough knowledge that maybe someone already is doing this, or maybe they're doing it better than you. You can be a competition, but only if you are solving a problem. Whatever you are putting your money, your faith, and your experience in, it in the end, maybe after 2 years, 3 years, or 5 years, it gives you back something. When you're talking about ideas and execution, it's really important that we talk about the truth about discipline, because I think most of us have great ideas, we want to execute and everything, want to do various things, but the one thing maybe we get stuck about is discipline. I used to think that I lack discipline, that I'm not consistent with things, that whenever I want to do something, maybe I procrastinate a lot, I don't work on it properly and everything. But over time, I started realizing that whenever I wanted to achieve something, I have done that. Whenever I wanted something very, very badly and I wanted to see myself somewhere, I have achieved that no matter what. And I think that's also a big thing. So I feel if you are not able to be disciplined regarding something, if you're not consistent regarding something, the only issue that is coming in between is that you don't want that thing that bad. And I feel earlier I used to think, no, I want it really badly, I want to do something, but what are you doing regarding it? And that's where discipline comes in. So I used to think that I'm not disciplined and consistent, but then I started questioning myself, maybe I don't want that thing that much, that's why I'm not being consistent or disciplined about it. And maybe through that thing I understood that maybe it's not worth it because I don't want it that much. Or I used to think that, okay, I want that thing and I want it right here, so I'll start being disciplined, I'll start being consistent. And I think that gives you a bigger picture of things, it makes you understand things a lot. If you feel stuck, and even if you have ideas, maybe the answer is not to find a better idea, it's maybe to go forward with that idea that is well researched, you think that it's going to do great. It's not entirely perfect, but along the way you have that confidence that you can make it perfect, because thinking about it always feel like progress, but starting is what actually creates it. Hope it helps.